Hello students, good morning. Once again I welcome you in 7th English class. Now, as we all know that yesterday I taught you the poem If, which is written by Rudyard Kipling, and it is our first poem in our chapter, but according to second poem, but according to the unit, it is our first poem, and our unit name is what? Our unit name is People Who Inspire Us. So yesterday I gave you the introduction and the explanation of the first stanza that if we are become a leader, that time we are facing lots of problems. Like, because during that time we should keep calm whatever the situation arising in front of us, because we all know that when we are taking a decision, it is not compulsory that everyone is agree with you, right? So we should keep ourselves very calm. And another thing that is what, that we are don't losing our temperament when someone is blaming us also. And second thing, we have to trust on ourselves when the people are putting a doubt in front of us and the people have a doubt on us. That time we should trust in ourselves and allow them also that what is your doubt, so you can solve. If you can solve that doubt, it means what, that you are a perfect leader. And also says that don't hate the people, right? Don't hate the people, whether they are with you or not, it's another matter, but don't hate the people. And you don't prove yourself that you are too much good and you are too much wise than them. It is the first unit main idea. Now today I will start with the second stanza. Now second stanza says that if you can dream and not make dreams your master. See that. If you can dream and not make dreams your master, it means to do something bigger. If you want to do something bigger, but we should dream first. Yes, if you want to do something bigger, that time we should. It means our dream should be bigger, or it is our dream is first. But the poet also reminds us to be guided by unrealistic dreams, right? So what should we do for the biggest thing? So we should what? That we should dream first. But the poet also reminds us not to be guided by unrealistic dreams. The dreams which is unrealistic, which is not real, you should not guided by that dream. Because we know that we cannot complete it. So we should not guide it, or we should not follow also. If dreams take the driver's seat, we get detached from reality and eventually fail. It means if dream take the driver's seat. Now what is the meaning of driver's seat? It means we are a dreamer, and the dream, what is our dreamer? It is right. But if the dream is heavy on us, it is a wrong thing. Why? Because you are following, a leader follow that path not unwillingly, they are follow blindly that path. And if they are follow blindly that path, it means the dream is heavy on you. And we would get detached from reality and eventually fail. And sometimes when we realize that it is a wrong path, that time we are also fail. So what is the poet say about the dream? The poet say about the dream is what? That dream first before dream can come true. Right? You have to dream first, but before your dream can come true. So we should dream to reach great height in life, but keeping the reality in mind. Yes, we can see the dream, it is a right, but also that we should keeping the reality in our mind also. So student, I hope you have to understand in this line what is the main idea of the second line of the second stanza, right? So here the second line is what? That if you can make and not make thought your aim. See that. If you can think and not make thought your aim, it means we should be able to think over a matter. It is our matter that we should think over it, but should not make the thought our aim, right? But thought should not be make that is our aim. Yes, we can think, but not make thought your aim. Whatever the think in our mind, we should not thought that this is my aim. Why? Because that is say that we often lose our radar and get detached from the main point. Whatever the thing in our mind, and when we thoughts, that thoughts arise in our mind, we think that this is my aim. It means we forgot. We forgot about what is our main point, what is our main aim. We are forget about it. So our thinking should not be scattered, misleading us away from the target. So these are the things that if we think that it is my aim instead of your main aim, so what happened? You misleading, and whatever your main target, you away from your main target. So you can think it, but thought should not be your, what is a thought should not make your aim. So the main idea of the second line is what we are think about its right path, but when we are thinking about that time, we have a lots of thoughts in our mind also. So we are only follow our main point, our main aim, not to follow the thoughts whichever arising in your mind, right? You have to follow. If you follow that thoughts, it means what? That you will forget about your main idea or main target. Now, if you can meet with triumphs and disasters and treat those to impostures just the same. Now see that triumph means victory, disaster means damage, and impostor means cheat. So there are three words the writer used here. It means the poet used here. So we all know that life is a combination of victory, success and failure, joy and sorrow, good times and bad times. It is a combination. If for 10 days our life is happy, 10 days our life is sad, 10 days our life is success, it means you are getting a success, failure, joy, sorrow, bad time, good time. This is a combination of the life. So my question is, what is the life according to the poet? So it is a combination of what? Joy, success and failure, joy and sorrow, good times and bad times. So we should accept both the phase, both the situation with similar treatment. So how can we accept the situation? That we have to face both the situations, whether you are a joy and a sorrow, whether you are in good times and bad times, whether you are in success and failure, you have to face very similar treatment. When you are getting a success, you are making it lots of happy, you presenting your happiness in front of all the people. But when you are get failure, that what are you doing? That you are hiding your mouth or you are hiding yourself, right? You cannot see in the mirror also. Why? Because you are a failure. No, this is the wrong thing. You should face that failure, sadness, bad time, look like a similar like your success, good time and your joy time. So you should follow this thing, because here the personifies the triumph and disaster, capitalized and calling them two imposters. What is the meaning of two imposters? Because these are the cheats. Why? Because the people becomes too happy in success and forget their duty at hand. And it is right. When we have become a success in our life, now what happened? We forget about our duty. We may also get too complacent or proud at small success also, reducing our chances to reach higher goals. Yes, when we are getting a small success in your life, right? So we forget about your higher goals also. For example, if you are taking, if you will secure A2 grade in your exam, so you are getting a lots of happiness. But you forget about that this is a A2, the bigger grade is A1. So how can you achieve it? Now you have to work according to that. But if you are getting A2, you presenting your happiness in front of all the people. I am secure A1 grade, I sorry A2 grade, A2 grade, A2 grade. This is your, but you forgot your main duty, that I have to secure A1 grade also. So how can I secure it? These are the main thing. And also says that again at bad times, if we are too grieved, we may lose our faith and confidence. Yes, true. When we are getting a failure, what happened? We are living to grief. And we are also lost our confidence also. Why should we forget? Why should we lose our confidence? Because we all know that is a Proverbs. What is the Proverbs? Failure is a key of success, right? Nothing is impossible. These are the proverbs in our life. So why should we forget about it? If we are lost one time, two time, three time, but later on you will get the success. Try and try, you will get success, right? Also says that in both cases a regular course of work is hampered, and that is why the poet calls triumph and disasters to impostors, and he also asks us to treat those deceivers similarly with a smiling face. Whether you are in sorrow, whether you are in happiness, whether you are in bad time, whether you are in good time, whether you are in success, whether you are getting failure, you should face both the situations with smiling face, right? With smiling face. And also says that don't be too happy or too sad under any circumstances. The main idea of these lines is what? Don't to become a very happy, or don't be too happy or too sad under any circumstances. If you pretending both this thing, it means you are not a good leader. So student, here the main idea of these two lines is we understood thoroughly. Now the next line is that if you can bear to hear the truth you have spoken, twisted by knaves to make a trap for fools. Knaves means dishonest person. Now here says that we have to bear the tough situation where we see that our speech or statement is distorted by someone to befool others. Befool others, they are making a fool. It means says that how should we do when others are not in our favor. So the poet says what? That very often see that people misinterpret and or even deliberately distort our words used in their favor. What are the words, right? We are speaking. We are informing to other people, our group member. What are they doing? They are taking the some of the part of your speech in their favor and some of the part in against you, right? Now what we have to do? We should become a very straightforward. Now we have to, why? Because they are misinterpreted to other person also. So we should also work with them. We should not lose our temper hearing that. When we are hearing that, that person says that you are doing the wrong things, right? For example, in your classmate says that so and so, he thinks that during recess time he will take your lunch box, or he will take out your take your notebook from your bag, right? Because you are a leader, and they are misinterpret you also. So that time we are not losing our temper, and also says that rather we should tolerate that or ensuring that we have spoken the truth. You have two choice. One is that you have to tolerate that person, or you have to speak truth about that person. So, or watch the things you gave your life to broken and stoop and build them up with worn out tools. Now what is the basic thing is that we have to hold our nerves even after seeing that our favorite things that we built with all our efforts and time is broken. You are working too much hard, right? You built that, but the thing is what? The time is passing. After the passing the time, the things is broken. So what you have to do? Then we have to pick up them, the scattered parts there, and build it all over again. Yes, don't think about that. Hi, मेरी ये चीज टूट गई, right? Don't think about it. Think it means what? That you, whatever your wish, whatever your desire, whatever you wanted, you cannot complete it. All ever you scattered it, right? Now what you have to do? Don't see on the scattered things. Don't think about that you have to fail in your life. You have, why are you failing? Take the inspiration of failures. Find out your mistakes. And once again you have to build your things. So here the poet says that how can we build up again from scattered part? That we have to scattered part, how? That we have to pick up all these things and build our, again also says this is another key to getting to the top of the world, and according to the poet. Right, I told you that this is another thing. That if you are continuously thinking about your failure, your sad time, your bad time, what happened? Do you think that you will get your rich, you will get top of the world? No, you will not get success even also. You have to find out the mistakes that you have to fail in your life and turn and take the new advantages and clear your mistakes, prove your mistakes in success. Then what happened? You will get your top of the world. So he says that, the poet says that, we all know that there is one story about the Newton, that he contains the papers containing his theory were destroyed in fire. So what did he do? You think that he lost all this? Once again he write about all his theories. So student, I hope you have to understand here this stanza. Now the third stanza, it is very important in our life, and I hope you have to understand thoroughly also. If you can walk with crowds and keep your virtue, or walking with kings, nor lose the common touch. See that. If you can talk with crowd and keep your virtue, or walk with kings, nor lose the common touch. It means what? We should stay in touch with the common people from every class of the society. Yes, it is a compulsory. We should. If you are a leader, you should touch with every society of the people. If you say that I am following this community, I also follow only and only those people. I am making my touch, keep it touch with these people. That time what happen? Your opposers become in very large number. You can't face it. So here says that, how should we talk with common mass? So he says that we should be able to talk with common mass without losing our virtue and moral values. Right? Without losing your virtue and moral values. If you lose your virtue and moral value, it means you will fail. They will understand he is not able to understand our situation. Right? And then after, they once again, what happened? हिंदी में क्या, हमारे सर के ऊपर बैठ कर नाचेंगे. Same situation you are faced. And again we should be able to walk with the kings without going beyond the reach of the common people. You should walk like a king. If you walk beyond the people, behind the people, people cannot trust on you. So you should walk first, look like a king, but the people should walk behind you. You should not walk behind the people, but the people should walk behind you. So it means your personality, whatever you want, you will achieve very thoroughly. The common touch would be help us to realize the reality and feel the needs of other society. If you talk with the common people, now what happened? You should realize, okay, what is the reality and what is the society need, so you can understand properly. And on the other hand, the noble touch would give us the power and opportunity to reach higher goals. Right? We have to talk common people also and higher people also. If you touch with the higher people, so you will get the power and opportunity that you want to reach higher. You want to reach higher goals. You will get the higher goals with your higher class people. And when you touch with the common people, now what happen? You realize that, okay, these people needs these things in the society. So both the peoples you have to talk with them. If neither force nor loving friends can hurt you, if all men count with you, but none too much. See that. To whom should we stay? Here says that, how should we walk when we are walking with common people? So I told you that we have to walk like the king. Why should we build up too much strong? So here the poet says what? That we should build ourselves strong enough. We should, because mentally and physically we have to make ourselves too much strong. So says that, how should we build up too much strong? So with mentally and physically, because that neither enemies nor loving friends can hurt us. When you are physically and mentally, you are strong. What happened? Your enemies and the people who are not loving you, they cannot hurt you, because they realize that he is physically and mentally too much strong, and whatever we can do, he will get the success that, and he will also defeat us also. So they cannot hurt you. Also says that, moreover, we should develop healthy relationship with everyone around us and should not allow anyone to harm us also. We should maintain the relationship very healthy, very fruitful relationship, strong relationship. Why? And even also says that people cannot harm you also, no one harm you also. Because this is the main thing that we have. If you make the relationship very strongly, so no one is against you. We have to develop the personality the right way, so that everyone support us and give us the importance, but none too much. Because If we allow someone to give us too much importance, we may be emotionally bound. If someone give the too much importance in your life, in your career, it means you are emotionally bound. You will become the bounding that he is supporting me, so I have to work. Whether he is a wrong person or wrong person or bad person, you have to support that person also. And this is the worst thing, that unwillingly you have to work with that person. So that may restrict our freedom and prevent us from doing our duty. It means when you are properly, if you are bounding that person, it means they restrict our freedom, and we all know that, and also prevent our duty also. So we may get compulsion, thinking that we are so much liked by people, thus reducing our effort. Yes, compulsion that the people should like, the group of the mass of the people should like you, but reduce your efforts. They cannot take the advantage of your name. If you can filling unforgiving minute with 60 seconds worth distance run. So what is the very precious? So time is very precious in our life, because we all know that once the time is gone, that time will never come back in our life. So a minute is filled with 60 seconds. Time is here called unforgiving. Why the time is calling unforgiving? Because how should we utilize every second? See that. Because as it waits for none and doesn't forgive him who wastes it. It means we should utilize every minute of our life in productive work. In a productive work, we should utilize our time, each and every second. You think that, oh, exam after our 2 months, I will read tomorrow, and the exam will come. Right? So before 2 months you have a time, you have to start preparation regarding your subject and your exam. So you will get the success. But if you show your laziness, you will not success. Right? Here also says that you have to utilize our time with the productive work. Because wasting time is not something we can afford in our short lifespan. Yes, wasting time we cannot afford in our short lifespan. Because if you are waste your time, do you think that you will get the success and you will cover your time period in that period of time? No, you will not cover it, because time has gone and you cannot catch the time again. And last 2 lines is very important, says that yours is the earth and everything that's in it, and which is more, you will be man, my son. See that. He says that finally comes the achievement that we can get if the fulfill all the condition mentioned so far, right? All these things you should follow thoroughly, because we can win this earth and everything it. We can go to top of the world and rule over everything. And what is more, we should be complete and perfect human being. So here says what? That finally comes the achievement that we can get if we fulfill all the condition mentioned so far. Whatever the ideas the poet presenting in this poem, if you follow this path, you will success in your life anyhow, because we can win this earth and everything in also, and go to top of the world and rule over everything. And what is the more, we should be complete and perfect human being also. So here he says that we should not forget, because Rudyard Kipling informed his son, and as it addressed in the very last line, right? I told you that this is the poem about the father said to his son. And also say that the poet wanted to show his son the right way to be a future leader. It is the poet wish that his son will become a right path leader in your future. But it is inspired many a man in their journey of life on the earth so far. But the poet presenting this poem very beautifully. Because of this poem, if the reader reads this poem thoroughly, they can also inspire from this poem and they get success in their life also. So student, here our poem is over. Thank you.